Alright, so here we have factorize h squared plus 3h minus 40. This is an equation, and in this case, this is factorization method. And how do we solve cases on factorization method? The first thing we need to look at is to get the, for instance, here in factorization method, the first thing we look at is the sum and the product. You have to get two numbers whereby if you multiply, you get this answer. If you add, you get this answer. So let's see how we can solve. So in this case, we have h squared plus 3h minus 40. So here we look at two numbers. Here we look at the sum and the product. So here we can look at the two numbers. If we add, we get 40, negative 40. Sorry, if we multiply, we get negative 40. If we add, we get 3. So in this case, we can say 1 and 4, of course. When we have 1 and 4, you can get 40, but you will not get 3. You can say negative 1 times this, you get negative 40, but you don't get this one here. Let's look at 8 and 5. In this case, 8 times 5 will give us 40. Then 8 plus 5, it will give us 11. So one has to be negative and the other one has to be positive to make it work out. So in this case, we can say when our 8 is negative, we will get negative 40, but we will not get 3. So we can say when our 5 is negative, so 8 times negative 5 is negative 40. Then 8 plus negative 5, it will give us 3. So our values here will be 3 and negative 5. So here we'll have 3, negative 5. So in this case, what do? When we have h squared, so here we give the 2, we factorize the two numbers. So here we'll have plus, this is 8. 8h plus, here is supposed to be plus, but because of this sign, we put a negative h minus 40. Here we can now simplify, we can factor out. So in this case, we can take this 2 and we take this one here, and the common factor and the common thing here is h. So when we pull h out here, we'll have h plus 8. Then here we'll have 5 in bracket. The common thing here, we have 5, and the common factor here is 5. So when you pull out negative 5, here will be h. Then here it will be plus 8. So in this case, we are seeing h plus 8 and h plus 8 is common. So we pull out 1. When we pull out h plus 8, we factorize. Here we'll have h minus 5. Sorry.